Guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency if you watch my videos and start earning like me. This is the website. This website link available in description. This website pay you unlimited Tron instantly withdrawing faucetpay and express crypto, but express crypto right now expired, and just pay your faucetpay. Okay, the first way, just click register. You can register yourself, put your username, email, password, and confirm password. You can easily make an account. I have already an account. Just I click login to show you how you can earn from here. Right now I have this much coin because I watch all the PTC ads available in this website. The first way earning is manual faucet. The manual faucet is one of the easiest way you can earn. First of all, solve the select capture is a fox, tiger, cow, and then solve the recapture. Just click it, you can easily solve it, and just click your reward. You can click your reward instantly in your balance. And the next way is auto faucet. If you watch short links, you can easily make energy, and after you make energy, you can easily join in auto faucet. You can watch all of the short links and you can make energy from here and coins too. The next way is a task. The task is if you make a video and upload in YouTube, you can easily make this much coin from this website. Okay, and the next way earning is a PTC ads. I watch all of the advertisement in this website, and you can easily register yourself and you can watch the advertisement. The next way is a lottery ticket. You can easily participate in lottery ticket, but it's right now it's finished and it didn't come back their lottery ticket, and after maybe I don't know which time this will be start again. The next way advertisement, you can click create your own advertisement from this website, and this website take this much coins per every view. The view is 10 seconds, and that's it guys, that's it. The next way is achievement. This is the last one. You can see I clicked claim this much PTC, and I can claim my achievements from this website. And you can see, you can, if you watch the short links, you can claim your achievements again, much more. And right now is a auto faucet is on. You can see this much coin pay me every 1 minute because I have energy right now that I claim. You can see this much energy I have right now. I want to take a withdrawal. I just click faucet pay because this will be have a faucet pay USDT faucet pay Fura and faucet pay Tron. Just I click Fura, I go to my faucet pay, log in my account to copy my Fura wallet data. Okay, I copy my Fura wallet data, space in here, and just click withdraw in here, and this will be send me this my satoshi of the Fura instantly in my faucet pay. Just I go to my faucet pay to share with you the withdrawal proof of this website. Okay, I go to overview, come down, and now you can see this website pay me like a Fura, this much Fura to my faucet pay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye bye for now.